And this project will take you how long?
We've been on it for about 2 weeks, and I think that I pulled a crew off of it for a few days, but probably have it done in probably 6 weeks, rewiring. And of course, everything's got permits because I can't really slide under the...
But you guys can get permits in 1 day here, right? Or 2 days?
Yeah, but quickly.
See, in Sarasota, Florida, where it could be weeks.
Really?
Or 6 weeks. It could be 6 weeks just
What
to
are
get
they
a permit.
doing in those 4 or 6 weeks?
Well, jerking off.
Jerking off. Yes. Me and my wife bought our first house in '97.
How old were you?
I just got married. I was 21. Yeah.
So that's basically all you've done in your life.
That's all I've done. I've never had a job.
Me neither.
Yeah.
I started at 21 also.
Okay.
Bought my first house in Phoenix, Arizona for $13,000. Called up my mother and father.
What year was that?
1978.
Oh my God, I was 2 years old.
Yeah. By the time I was 25, I had 113 houses. My mother and father told me no when I asked them for help, and I was a defiant kid, and I said, you say no, I say go. And that's how it all began. This is a good neighborhood.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks good, man.
That is a great neighborhood, man.
It's you?
Yeah, it's me. Let's go look at it.
Yeah. My name's Marc Pelletz, and I'm from Sarasota, Florida, and we're all here together out for an event here, and we're out here with the King Flipper looking at his projects. We flip houses and fix and sell back in Sarasota, and we teach people how to do the same. You get a lot of deals that other people won't touch because they don't know what to do with it?
Yeah, that's not as scary to most people now as like structural problems. And I'll do houses that have structural problems too. Sometimes you can spend 20 to up to 50 grand to fix structural problems. That pisses me off. Paint on my new tile.
I'm Paul Provencher. I'm up here in Sarasota, from Sarasota with Marc Pelletz and my wife, coming to Birmingham for an event and coming to check out King Flipper's properties, and everything's great here.
And roofs, how much are you paying the square for your roofs?
Yeah.
Installed?
Yeah.
Probably about 60, 70, 80, probably $100 a square.
Huh? Wait. We pay, I pay like $275 now, it used to be $250. Most people are paying $350.
Yeah.
Nobody in our area would even do $250 if you're there now.
You'd be lucky to get 275. It's pretty good.
This is a beauty.
Thank you, buddy.
It's a beauty.
Appreciate it. I'll sell it to you.
Guys, I'm Britt Provencher. I'm here with my husband Paul and my partner Marc Pelletz, and we're so excited to be here in Birmingham. We actually run the REI Live in Sarasota, Florida, so we're a little bit out of our element here. We're in the deep south, so we're super excited to see all the real estate here. I'm a realtor, I'm an investor, I'm a wholesaler, and running events at the same time. So we keep each other busy, and we're super excited to be a part of this.
Okay, so this is an area that is in Birmingham. It's called Diaper Row.
Diaper Row?
Yeah, so I guess the reason it's called that is because it's not good schools, but it's a great area to live in because it's so convenient to Birmingham and other great areas. So I think people like start off here with little kids, and then when the kids get out of diapers, you start moving, I guess. So it's a pretty big project. It did have, it was 4 rooms right here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and we turned it all into one big room. And then put an LVL up. You guys ever do that?
What?
Move walls,
Oh, yeah.
but put LVLs up?
What do you mean by LBL?
LVL,
Oh, supporting beams.
yeah. Yeah, how do y'all do that?
We
if
just
you
get away
move?
from not doing the living room.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
If we had to, we could.
Yeah. We do those on just about in every house. So I turned this into the master bedroom. And then this is gonna be the master bath. It's gonna have a shower right here, a toilet, and then a vanity right here.
And who designs them?
Yours truly, right here, baby. Sometimes my wife comes in and helps me, and I'll get, everybody's opinion, the realtor sometimes, even the workers, like, hey, what do you think makes sense here? And so I've got crews that just stay on the house, and the crews do just about everything except electrical and plumbing. So every crew can do, and roofs.
Did you do ACs in all the houses there?
Yeah, all houses have heat and air, absolutely.
Central AC?
Oh, yeah, absolutely,
Yeah.
yes.
That's
Yes,
right, we're in the south still.
yes.
And how much will you spend on this rehab? 50?
Oh, no,
So more than 50.
yes. Probably 100 grand,
100 grand.
yes. Probably 100 grand.
So you'll have
I paid
265.
165.
You'll have
I'll have
265.
265 in it, and it'll pull 350.
Yeah?
Hopefully. Okay, cool. Y'all ready to go?
Rock and roll.
What do you think about this house? It's cool, right?
Yeah, I like it.
I've done 3 this year that were break even or negative $5 grand,
Break
maybe.
even's like losing because you got the cost of money, cost
Right.
of time, but
It's just
in
part
real
of it.
terms, it's just-
I don't think you can do 85 houses and not have that moment. Homewood is really where I got the taste of making big money on a flip.
I've never made 100,000 on a flip that I can remember.
Okay.
Never.
I'll drive you by a few
1,000
of
houses.
those.
1,000 houses.
I'll drive you by that house. I've got guys working. I don't even know whose car that is, but we're fixing to pop in on them anyway. Be careful on the pine straw, y'all. What's up?
Hey, buddy, what's going on?
How's it going? How you doing?
Trying to get it done.
Good.
Hey, so King Flipper. Who gave you the name King Flipper? Where did that come from?
My kids started that years ago, just as a joke.
So you've been the King Flipper
Yeah.
for a long time.
Oh yeah. It was the password to our Wi-Fi for years, and then that's kind of how it started. All right, buddy. I'll see y'all later, okay?
Sir, we'll see you.
You know how you find your genius in life?
Oh.
By finding what you love to do.
Hey,
Like
That-
here
yes,
it is
you're so right.
Here it is Sunday, and we're all like out of town. We could be doing anything we want.
And we're all like little
And
kids excited
and
about
We all
it.
have enough money, and we're out here on Sunday doing this, and that's why we're good at it, because
Yes.
we found what resonates with us. And in life, when you find, it's not about the money, it's about finding something that you love to do, and then going out and doing it. And who would think a couple millionaires would want to hang out Sunday morning, going to look at properties, which is what we do, which is what our work is.
I love it, yeah.
And that's what the deal is. It's finding that thing that you're passionate about in life.
and the perfect storm is if you find that thing, you love it, you're passionate about it, and it's profitable, and you're good at it. It's the perfect storm. Here's a house right here that's on the market for $850. Can you believe that?
So somebody bought this and fixed it to
And
flip
flipped it, yeah.
So there's other big flippers here.
Because I told you, I have some competition. Yeah, it was. I think they paid high 300s for it, and I just couldn't see it.
And it's going for like 8.
I don't know. I'm ready to find out though, because I have a flip here that will put all those houses to shame. I'll fix it to you. I paid 500 grand for it, and the house on the right of it's just pulled 1.1 million. I believe, like right over $1 million.
You're expecting you to get for how much for yours?
I'm thinking at least $999. Here it is right here. I'm thinking at least $999.
And how much will you spend rehabbing this baby?
I'm hoping less than, like, I'm gonna pimp the kitchen out. I'm hoping less than 200. Probably 200, 250. These projects is what get my blood pumping.
How many contractors actually work for you?
I am the licensed.
Oh, you're
I'm
the
the licensed builder.
contractor?
I'm the licensed builder, so I've got a construction. That's why I'm saying when I put 100 into a house, it'd be like somebody else putting 140 in a house. And most of these crews I've had for for, yeah, over 10, 12, 15 years.
Yeah, that's like mine too. They've
Yeah.
been with me.
Yeah.
How long will this project take you?
Not as long as half those other ones. Because, it's not that bad of a house.
How long will this project take you?
We've been kind of, we just got started on it.
90
We
days?
have redemption rights here. You guys have that in Florida?
On a foreclosure?
Yeah.
Yeah. On a,
1 year? What is it?
I don't, you're talking about tax?
No. The previous owner, any lien holder can come back and redeem the property for up to a year. Okay, up to a year here.
Oh, really?
So this house, the right was up in October. So I bought it in May, so I rented it out for $2,800
Oh,
until the end of September.
Oh,
so I
you don't want
just
to spend all the money and
right.
then him go find something.
That's right. That's right. Yeah. You're smart. Yeah. So I didn't want to put 200 grand in it and lose it, right?
Which is also one of the reasons you got it for a deal, because people who knew
That's right.
wouldn't want to do that. They
That's
didn't
right.
have the money where
That's
they could
right.
rent it and
That's
keep
right.
it.
So I ended up.
That's quite a strategy, actually.
Yeah. So I had a guy who needed a transitional house for 5 months, and he paid $2,800 a month. So it all worked out perfect.
Nice.
So he just moved out, and I started rehabbing it. Started coming up with plans October 1. Like we ordered the doors and the windows, but we really started working on it probably a week ago. But it really is not that much work.
And how long will it take you?
I think I'll have this house on the market in less than 6 weeks from
Before
now.
the end of the year.
Oh, hell yeah. Yeah. I'm hoping somebody has a nice Christmas. What do y'all think?
They like the closet.
I think
Yeah,
you're gonna
nice.
have a party in your closet.
Yeah.
I think we'll do a live video. Let's do a live video here. We'll go live on Facebook.
Okay.
Anyways, here we are. We're live. We're in Birmingham, Florida.
Birmingham, Alabama.
Birmingham, Alabama. I'm so used to being in Florida. We're here live in Birmingham. And we're out with King Flipper. So Brittany's gonna go around the house a little bit and show you what a $1 million house flip
Yes.
in Alabama looks like. And we'll take it from there.
Cool. In Birmingham, Florida. I like that. I kind of wish I lived in Florida.
You might someday. You come down and visit.
Yeah. Maybe I'll come to your area and start flipping houses.
You probably should try.
I love that color, man.
Yep, 1 o'clock. That's 2 o'clock my time. That's my downtime every day. Every day.
You take a nap.
I would if I.
You drink your Ensure and you take a nap. Guys, thank y'all for riding with me, man.
Thanks,
I had a great
tour.
time. I really did. I'm coming to
That was freaking awesome.
I'm coming to Florida to hang out with y'all one day.
Man, you showed us
Yeah.
some awesome things. This is great here in Alabama. Can't wait to
In
come back
Birmingham,
here.
Florida. Yes,
Birmingham,
yeah,
Florida,
right.
Birmingham, Alabama. You can rehab wherever you go.
Hey, Jonathan, wait a minute.
I'm so sorry, Jonathan.
Baby, just get it picked out so we can go, because I'm working.
Come with color fans.
Let's do something. You're such a pain in my ass.